sunshine, twinkle, twinkle in. Elephant family wakes up bright.
Mine?
They wave their trunks and say hello.
Good morning, everyone.
Stomp, 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 marching strong. Stomp, 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 walking along. Mom, dad, and baby elephant walking through the jungle tall. Cool fresh water, splish and splash ill. Elephants playing, laugh, laugh, laughed. Spraying water with their trunks.
Oh, it's fun and so refreshing.
Stomp, 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 marching strong. Stomp, 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 walking along. Mom, dad, and baby elephant walking through the jungle tall. Tummy's hungry, munch, munch, munch day. Eating leaves so crisp and fresh. Swinging trunks from side to side, munching happily all day. Golden sunset, twinkle, twinkle. Evening time so warm and bright. Elephant family hug so tight.
Good night now, sleep so well.
Stars are twinkling in the sky. Elephant family sleeps so tight. Dreaming sweetly through the night, waiting for tomorrow.